Hi fam, welcome back to Real Review. People start online business to make money. They sign up for the financial freedom coupon they were promised. Introducing Germinates. It's a breakthrough network, affiliate marketing and e-commerce software that will skyrocket your business to the moon. Germinates help you create an infinite scalable affiliate network powered by automation, real-time data reporting, unique features. Creating a more complex affiliate programs for your business is easy with Germinates. Manage multiple affiliate programs. Track affiliate partners' performance, assign commissions, upload your products to the e-commerce store, or use your already established business website. Let thousands of affiliates sell your products, increase sales like never before. Use the multi-level marketing features to enlist your prospective partners for 20-level deep recurring residual income. Affiliate management tools. Affiliate management system tool is the best tool to promote your online business products or service with your affiliates and track many actions like product clicks, web clicks, and so on. Create your affiliate program and offer it to anyone. It can be your clients, friends, or anyone ready to market and share your products. Your part is to share a commission from your project. Languages and CMS and frameworks supported. It supports integration and internal integrations, support PHP sites integration, JavaScript, HTML sites, etc. Vendor and affiliate. Vendor and affiliate can see their own network tree on their dashboard. E-commerce module. It sells physical downloadable virtual products. Full checkout process includes most popular live payment gateways. Upload unlimited products. Create unlimited category. Set discounts to your clients by adding a coupon. Add unlimited coupons to your store. Support an about page on the storefront side. Support categories page on storefront site. Publish checkout from the selected products. Add unlimited forms and share them separately. Add variants to your products. Unique URL links for your e-commerce store. Custom domain naming coming soon in next version. Next is Postback extension. For JavaScript, iframe, and image pixels, there is always a risk that a conversion is lost due to the session's cookie being blocked or deleted from the user's browser. While these instances are rare, to ensure that tracking is as accurate as it can be, you can implement a cookie-less tracking backup option where you can manually pass the session click ID to the advertiser language page, and on conversion, an advertiser can pass the click ID back to the offer pixel to record conversations in instances where cookies are not being tracked. Ads Market Tools Manager. It manages your ads from one tool, Super Advanced Market Tool, Banner Ads Manager, Video Ads Manager, one-click cart to site. Manage your transaction with the Recurring Manager. Recurring integration with your site or store and our integrated flagship e-commerce store. Set a recurring cycle to any transaction. Set a recurring to any ads you create. Make one-time payment for everything at just $67. Hit the link in my description to have instant access now. Germinates allows you to create an affiliate program integration with any site or use the flagship e-commerce store with the full list of supported technologies. We install ready-to-plug and play plugins to supported CMS without touching any code and in 5 minutes only. Integrate with unlimited website and unlimited tracking. For other frameworks, you will need to place the integration code manually inside your site header and your order confirmation page as well. They have full documentation for this case. Recurring extension. Manage your transaction with a Recurring Manager. Recurring integration with your site or store. Set a schedule for any recurring integration. Set a cron job to recurring module on your hosting. View a full data of recurring transaction on the admin wallet and so on. Germinates is a new king in town. Why should you be paying bogus free for using an affiliate when you can use Germinates and pay a one-time fee with amazing features, continuous development that is aimed to boost and explode your business, thereby putting more money in your bank account? Isn't that great? Then what are you waiting for? Go and check out. And the satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. This is all about the review on Germinates. Hope you liked the video. Thank you and stay tuned.